Yeah, I wish I had some snow ski goggles on, but I don't. I just want to see what the hype was about. So here we are. And a few, look at my white pants. It's a little bit deep. It's actually pretty fun.
It's really more the wind right now that's interesting. Anything else?
Oh my gosh. You see?
What were you saying?
It's a little scary when you can't open your eyes.
We've come to the point where we seriously can't see when we're walking forward. We resorted to walking backwards, but it's not working very well. We can't see.
Let's keep going.
I guess these people are doing the same thing that we're doing. They're outside for no reason, just to be outside. We have made it to the Lakeshore Drive and noticed that there's still this dog out. People have been stuck on this road for 7 hours. It's pretty windy right there. Let's take a peek real quick. Oh Jesus. There's a man with a, look at that, he's got a blower and he's got his own protective case. That's amazing.